Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. I am back with a haul today and I have got loads of bargains to show you. Everything that I've got today has come from Cherries. In case you haven't heard of Cherries already, it is a shopping app all about saving money on everyday essentials. You can get all sorts of things on there. Homeware, groceries, toiletries, food, things for the garden, pet care, basically everything that you would find in your regular bargain store. But the convenience is it's all online, it's all on a handy app, so you can shop from Cherries from the comfort of your own home, which is exactly what I did. I have a box or two of things to share with you. It all arrives packaged up really nicely in a cardboard box with brown paper, which is fab. The app also has a rewards section, so you can get free items by collecting Cherries. I'll show you a few of the items I've picked out in a bit. And also, if you are new to Cherries, you can save a massive 25% off your first order using my discount code, which is Mr. Carrington 25. And you will also get free delivery on your first 3 orders, so it's well worth taking advantage of that if you haven't shopped with them before. And if you already shop with Cherries, you can use the code Mr. Carrington to get free delivery on your next 3 orders. That code is valid between the 1st and the 15th of September. I'll leave all the information in the description box, and thank you very much to Cherries for sponsoring today's video. Right then, let's have a quick sip of the coffee. In case you're wondering where I am, I'm in the bedroom, and that's the bed there up on its side, along with a load of other stuff, because the ceiling has just been plastered, so the 2 holes in the bedroom ceiling have now been patched up, and that is drying and waiting to be painted. So hence the slightly messy backdrop today, but I thought we'd still light a candle, of course. By the way, pinch punch, first of the month. Happy September. Can you believe it is September already? That is slightly alarming, isn't it? But let's start with some homeware. So the first thing that I picked up was this mirror, which is a porthole round mirror. It's 25 centimeters, and it is by a company called DI Designer Interiors. And yeah, I thought this was really nice. I thought maybe to hang up in the bathroom, but I also thought it could work really nicely outside on the roof garden. I thought if I hung that on the fence. But yeah, really nice with the screws and all the detailing, and then the rope detail too. I got some bath towels. These ones are 100% cotton, and they are in this really nice grey colour. And I'm just going to take one out to show you the size, because we like that kind of detail here, don't we? This is the width of them. Yeah, nice and big. It doesn't say the dimensions on the packet, I'm afraid, so I can't tell you exactly. And it feels not too fluffy, which actually I think is a good thing with towels. I prefer them to be a little bit hard. Is that strange? I feel like if the towel's a little bit hard, it dries you better and could work as a bit of an exfoliator. I'm sure I'm probably on my own with that, but there we are. My preferred towel is slightly hard. Let me know how you like your towels. If you do like them nice and soft, I have got some laundry detergents to share with you in a little bit. I also got a bath mat. This one is made from recycled fabrics, and it is a cotton and polyester mix, so hopefully it should dry quite quickly. And it feels really nice and robust. This nice woven design, and it's kind of like a charcoal grey, slightly faded, and it's by a company called Green Living Collective. I got this decorative wind chime for the roof garden. I thought this was really nice. And recently I picked up a solar water feature fountain thing that I thought we could do a DIY with. So yeah, I'm interested to try and create some sounds out on the roof garden to drown out the noise of any neighbours. I thought if we can have some distractions, some little tinkling decorations hanging up. So yeah, I thought that was really sweet. It's got the watering can made of metal, and then we have a little bell at the base there. This set of terracotta chalkboard planters I thought looked really nice, but I'm actually thinking instead of using this for plants, we could use it for some organisation. So I thought it might be really nice to use, oh, that just put my teeth on edge. It scraped up against the polystyrene and made a noise that I didn't appreciate. So if you got your headphones in and you heard that and it did the same to you, I've got goosebumps now. But anyway, this is what they look like. Quite a nice size, and they've got this painted section with the chalkboard paint on it. They also come with some little chalks as well. So you get 3 of these, and I thought it'd be quite nice to label these up for paintbrushes and pens, pencils, that sort of thing, instead of using them for their intended purpose. But yeah, they're a nice shape. They don't have holes in the base. You need to make sure that any plants you did put in here were able to drain, unless you go for fake ones, of course, or you could drill a little hole in the base. I also picked up one of these plastic watering cans. These are really handy. They're very light, so you can hang them up on a hook. You could just use like a command hook or that sort of thing, and it's not going to be going anywhere anytime soon. 2 litres, perfect for going around the home to do your houseplants with. I thought it'd be quite nice to have a dedicated watering can just for the loft space, because I will be keeping lots of plants up there, so it'd be quite handy just to have one that I can go and fill up in the bathroom up there to water the plants with. Talking of the plants in the loft, I picked up this bamboo mat. It says made from natural bamboo, eco-friendly, and it's 50 by 80 centimetres. In the past I've cut these down and actually stuck them around plant pots, and it can look really nice if you're looking for a way to jazz up some cheap plant pots. You can use the bamboo to kind of disguise containers, which looks really good. But I also thought this would be quite handy to lay underneath some plants that I'll be putting up there. Picked up one of their solar lights, just one of these really simple ones. I like putting these into plant pots because I find at evening time they just give off a really nice little glow, and just having a few dotted around the roof garden makes it look really nice when evening time comes. And they're also quite handy to line pathways with, aren't they? Okay, moving on to some household stuff. First of all, I picked up some loo roll. I got 9 rolls. The price on these was really good. And don't forget, if you are new to cherries, you'll be saving that extra 25% off. I also got quite a lot of cleaning supplies, a few things that I haven't tried before that I was intrigued by, and also just some basics that I will be needing. I'm going to have to do a massive clean-up job once the builders have finished work here. I'll probably film a few cleaning videos as well. So the first things that I picked up were a few different scourers and wipes. So these I have never tried before. They're called Scour Daddy, and they're from Scrub Daddy. And it says, I can help you all around your home. It says they rinse free of debris to help resist odours. There's nothing worse than when your scourer gets full of gunk and food and stuff like that, is there? So it's got quite a close knit on this one. I know I'm going into quite a lot of detail, but I do like my cleaning products and I like them to be right. So this one, yeah, it's got quite a fine knit on it, and it says it goes soft in warm water, it stays firm in cool water, so you can control your scour power. Now what are we thinking? It also comes in different colours, so you can colour code them to use in different rooms around your home, and they also have a handy hook on them so you can hang them up to dry. So yeah, they are very firm, I have to say. And then I picked up a Minky M cloth. This is antibacterial cleaning pad. So this one has got a scouring side as well, and it also has the soft side. This one has SpongeBob on it. It says great for washing up and wiping down. And also I've just noticed that this brand has the royal crest on it, so I wonder if these are used around Buckingham Palace. Can you imagine SpongeBob doing the Queen's taps? I picked up some Zoflora. They have cypress and sea sage, which I've never tried before, but I was intrigued by the smell of that one. I also picked up this Midnight Blooms one. It says a mystical seductive fragrance combining oriental rose, orange blossom and amber. And then the cypress and sea sage says a energizing blend of herbs and citrus combined with refreshing sea salt and geranium on an amber and cedar base. How nice does that one sound? I got some of these wipes for the bathroom. Usually I try to avoid any kind of wipes. I just like to use regular cleaning cloth sponges and try and get more use out of them. But with having had the builders in and the fact that these ones are biodegradable, it says they're made from 100% biodegradable plant fibres. For the bathroom, I thought these would be handy just to kind of tide us over until all of the works are finished. Finding that in the mornings I'm going to put my contact lenses in and there's like a fine layer of dust over the bathroom shelf and the sink and the taps and all that kind of thing, so I think those will be really handy. I got a tub of the pink stuff. I really rate this stuff. It says the miracle cleaning paste, what will you use it for? And this is vegan, it's 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic and not tested on animals. I got some white vinegar spray from Star Drops. I use white vinegar for so many different things when I'm cleaning. It is such a versatile cleaning product. It says on the label here, multi-purpose, removes laundry stains and limescale, but yeah, there's loads of different things you can do with white vinegar, so it's a great one to have in your cleaning kit. I also picked up some Domestos. This is a bleach spray. Now I do try not to use too much bleach, I've said this before, but every now and then I do like a little bit of bleach when I'm cleaning, and this one I find really good for the coffee stains on our kitchen worktops, so I do use it sparingly for that. On some laundry stuff, and I do think Cherries is a brilliant place to stock up on your laundry products. I've got a few different things here to show you. First of all, this one, which is the Astonish 2-in-1. This one is a brilliant price considering you get 28 washes, and this one is tropical papaya and passion flower. Let's give it a little sniff and see what we think. Yeah, that's nice. You can definitely smell the passion fruit kind of scent in there. I picked up some Surf as well because I was intrigued by the scent of this one. It's described as coconut splash, which I just thought could be a vibe. I wanted to smell it and I thought we would do that together. Oh, I really like this. Oh, do you know, that's making me feel quite hungry. You know, oh, what's that nice cake that's got like coconut shavings all over it? I like that a lot. So you get 18 washes in that one. And I also spotted this on the app. This is the Eco Egg laundry egg. It says no harsh chemicals, kind to skin and environmentally friendly. It's also got Allergy UK on there, so it says an allergy friendly product. I haven't tried this myself, but I was intrigued to give it a go. It says you open the laundry egg, add mineral pellets, and then place on top of your laundry in the washing machine. And it says it's suitable for hand washing, and you get 70 washes in this, and you can also get the refills of the pellets here and you get 50 washes. And even if you don't use this all the time, I thought it'd be quite a handy thing to have in the home for when you run out of laundry detergent. There is nothing worse, is there? I swear I always run out when I've got something important happening the next day I need to wash an outfit for, or when it's a sunny day with a little bit of breeze, perfect for washing, and I go to put a load on and find I haven't got any laundry detergent. Nothing worse. So with that in my cleaning kit, I will be good to go. Another thing that I picked up was this Lenore Crease Releaser. I have used this a lot and I really like it. You just spray it onto clothes, give them a bit of a shake, a bit of a stretch, and it removes creases in fabric. When I showed this last time, loads of you warned me not to use it on tiles or slippery floors. This stuff is kind of deceptive because you feel like you're just spraying it onto the clothes, but then it mists down onto the floor, and yet it can turn into an ice skating rink quite quickly. Stay tuned, because I will be showing you at the end what I chose from the Cherries reward. Got onto some toiletries next, and I got some hand wash. They sell these really lovely Method hand washes on Cherries. So I picked up this one, which is the fragrance free one, and then I also got this one, which has got a really cool design on the bottle, and this one is watermelon. I spied a few Body Shop products on the app, and I've got some really nice miniature shower gels. We have this one, which is British Rose, this one which is strawberry. I feel like that one's a bit of a throwback. Who remembers the banana one? I feel like that one was probably one of my favourites, but yeah, strawberry one is an old classic, isn't it? And almond milk and honey, which I've used before, and this one is really nice too. Got some toothpaste. I got this one, which is the Colgate Max White. This tanning mousse, which is the San Moritz in medium. I've used this loads and it is such a good price on Cherries. I don't think you can find it anywhere cheaper, especially if you get the extra discount on this. I got some deodorant. I always use this one from Shaw. It's just the roll-on 48-hour protect. And I also picked up one of these shampoo bars. I've tried one of these from a different brand before and I really liked it. And this one is the Derma V10 coconut shampoo bar, another coconut item. For all hair types, vegan and travel friendly. Yeah, that's a good point. Because of it being solid, if you are going hand luggage only, it's one less liquid to go into your wash bag. And also picked up a pillow spray. You may know that I'm a big fan of these. I've tried all sorts of pillow sprays and I love using them. I think it's a really good thing to use to help you rest and sleep well. Fragrance can play a big part in getting a good night's sleep. If you've got relaxing fragrance around you, it just helps your senses to know it's time to unwind and relax. And this one is Sleepwell pillow spray. It says rest and relax with this blend of essential oils to help enhance your natural sleep pattern. This smells really good. I rate that. It smells quality and it's quite punchy too, so you wouldn't need much of this. It's only 25ml, so it could be a nice one to take on travels. Oh, I forgot to show you bin bags. It is one of those apps where you just scroll through and you think, yep, I need some of that, need some of that, need some of that, need some of that. It's something you can do on your lunch break or when you've got 5 minutes sitting in the car. I got some food as well. They have lots of groceries on Cherries. I tend to do my regular supermarket shop, so I don't get too much from them, but I did spy these, which are a bit of a throwback. Who remembers these? These remind me of childhood holidays. I noticed as well that these have got a voucher on them for a free adult ticket to Alton Towers Sea Life or Legoland. And I think, looking at it, it does say that this is valid on tickets until the 30th of June 2022. So that might be of interest to you, but also I just fancied having these more so as a snack. I got some more of these Lion's Mallows. Lots of you said that you like these. These ones, oh, they've got coconut on them. Talking of the coconut, I'll be getting involved with one of those. Yeah, so these are topped in coconut and they were on offer. I also got some of these, which are Auntie's Golden Syrup Sponges. I absolutely love these, and these are great. You can just pop them in the microwave, make some custard, or throw on a blob of ice cream, and they are delicious. And I got some of these which are really nice to have with a coffee too. These are the Kinder Chocolate individually wrapped bars. The box is aligned with this brown paper, which is really handy. You can recycle that and use it for gift wrap, or if you're doing any painting and decorating or any crafts, or if the kids are doing any activities at the table that are messy. So now I'm going to show you a few options you could choose with Cherry's rewards. The first one being this Minky M cloth. This is a general purpose tightly knitted microfiber cloth. You could get some Lenore Unstoppables. I went for these ones, which are Ruby Jasmine. You get some hand wash. I got this Bayliss and Harding one. I also spied these Yankee car jars. This one is Seaside Woods, and I've given it a little scratch and sniff, and it smells really, really nice. You can also hang these around the home or in wardrobes and that sort of thing. And yeah, I absolutely love Yankee Candle. I might actually see if I can pick up a Seaside Woods jar now that I've sniffed that, because I really like this scent. So yep, that is everything that I got from Cherry's. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a little thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to click subscribe if you're new here for new videos every single week. And all the information for Cherry's will be in the description box down below. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.